Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Have you ever thought that just a few familiar eggs could be turned into surprisingly appealing dishes? Soft and smooth eggs, golden yolks, rich and fragrant melted cheese. Sounds tempting already, doesn't it? And the wonderful thing is that these methods are much simpler than you might think. Today, with just 3 eggs and a few familiar ingredients, I will share some little tricks to turn simple eggs into dishes that are beautiful, delicious, and incredibly appealing. What's special is that just a few small changes in the way you prepare them can make a very big difference. So, watch until the end, because the final method might surprise you the most. Now, let's get started. Method 1. Seaweed egg soup. First, I prepare 3 fresh chicken eggs, crack them into a bowl. Add 1/3 teaspoon of salt, a little ground pepper, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then beat evenly so that the eggs and seasonings are well combined. Beat just enough to evenly dissolve the eggs, then set aside. Next, place a pot on the stove and add about 1 bowl of water. Heat until the water begins to simmer gently. Then, use a whisk to stir gently in one direction to create a circular whirlpool in the pot. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. While the water is moving, slowly pour the eggs through a strainer into the center of the whirlpool. Thanks to this method, the eggs will separate into thin, soft strands, evenly curled in the soup, creating beautiful and more appetizing patterns. While pouring, gently rotate the strainer in a circular motion so that the egg falls down into thin, soft, and beautiful egg strands. This method helps the eggs distribute evenly in the water and gives the bowl of soup a very appealing texture. Once all the eggs have been added to the pot, continue preparing 2 tomatoes. Cut them into wedges and add them directly to the pot. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, add a little dried seaweed and a little small dried shrimp to enhance the natural sweetness and distinctive aroma of the soup. Stir gently once to combine the ingredients. Then add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Continue cooking for a while until the tomatoes become soft. The seaweed expands, and the ingredients are evenly infused with the seasonings. Finally, add a little sawtooth coriander to enhance the aroma of the soup. Turn off the heat. Gently ladle the soup into a bowl and enjoy while it is still hot. The finished dish is a bowl of soup with soft and smooth egg strands, mildly sour tomatoes, distinctive fragrant seaweed, and flavorful dried shrimp, all combined with clear and naturally sweet soup broth, making it very easy to eat. This soup is not only easy to make, quick to prepare, but also has beautiful colors and a harmonious flavor. If you are looking for a simple soup for a family meal, try this method right away. Method 2. Frying eggs without oil. First, I prepare 3 fresh eggs. To make the finished dish look more appealing, I also prepare a bowl and a strainer. Gently crack each egg through the strainer, allowing some of the thin egg white to pass through first. This method helps remove some of the excess egg white, so that when the eggs are placed in the pan, they have a neater shape and are easier to control. Then, add each egg to the pan one by one. Next, add about 10 milliliters of water to the pan, just enough to create a very thin layer of water evenly covering the bottom of the pan. There is no need to add too much water because the purpose of this step is to create steam to cook the eggs instead of using oil. Now, cover the pan and cook over low heat for about 1 minute. During the cooking process, the steam retained inside the pan will spread around the eggs, helping the egg whites quickly set and cook evenly. After about 1 minute, open the lid and check. At this point, when the eggs are cooked just right, use a spatula or flat spoon to gently slide underneath the bottom of the eggs, slowly lift them up, and then place them onto a plate. Moving slowly and gently will help keep the eggs intact, prevent them from becoming deformed, and especially prevent the yolks from breaking. You will have soft, tender egg whites without any burnt edges, while the yolks still retain their smooth texture and beautiful golden color. The special thing about this method is that no oil is needed, but the eggs still cook quickly and have a soft and delicious texture. This is a simple method that you can try right away when you want to prepare a light, quick breakfast without using a lot of oil. Method 3. First, prepare 4 small bowls. Add just enough water to each bowl to create a thin layer covering the bottom. This layer of water will help prevent the eggs from sticking to the bowls, while also helping them maintain their shape when transferred into the hot water. Next, crack each egg into a fine mesh strainer. This step helps remove some of the thin outer egg white, so when the eggs are poached, they will have a neater shape, without spreading out or creating many wispy strands in the water. After straining, gently transfer each egg into the prepared bowls containing the thin layer of water. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now, place a pot of water on the stove and bring it to a boil. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt and stir until it has completely dissolved. Once the water reaches a boil, reduce the heat to medium so that the water is only gently simmering. This is the key to ensuring the eggs cook evenly while maintaining their beautiful shape. Slowly tilt each bowl and gently slide the egg into the pot. Once all of the eggs have been added, poach them for about 5 to 7 minutes, depending on your preferred level of doneness. If you prefer a soft, creamy yolk, poach them for about 5 minutes. If you would like the eggs to be slightly firmer, cook them for up to 7 minutes. While the eggs are poaching, we will prepare a delicious meat sauce. Place a pan over medium heat and add a small amount of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the minced or finely chopped ginger and sauté until fragrant. The ginger adds a wonderful aroma to the dish while helping balance the richness of the meat. Next, add the prepared meat to the pan and cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it is lightly browned, fully cooked, and develops a rich, appetizing color. When the meat is nearly cooked through, add the diced carrots and stir-fry for about 2 minutes, allowing them to soften slightly and release their natural sweetness. Then, add the diced onion and cook until it becomes slightly translucent. Finally, stir in the chopped mushrooms and continue cooking for another few minutes, allowing all the ingredients to blend together into a flavorful, savory filling. Once everything is well combined, season with 2 tablespoons of chinsu soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir well so the sauce coats the meat and vegetables evenly. At this point, the filling will develop a beautiful glossy color, and its delicious aroma will fill the kitchen. Next, pour about 500 milliliters of water into the pan and cook over medium heat until it begins to gently simmer. Meanwhile, mix a small amount of cornstarch with water to make a slurry. Slowly pour the slurry into the pan while stirring continuously to prevent lumps from forming. Continue cooking for another few minutes until the sauce thickens slightly. It should be smooth and silky, thick enough to coat the eggs evenly, but not so thick that it becomes heavy. Once the poached eggs have reached your desired doneness, carefully lift them out of the water and arrange them on a serving plate. At this stage, the eggs should have tender whites surrounding rich, golden, runny yolks. Finally, generously spoon the hot meat and vegetable sauce over the poached eggs. The savory sauce pairs perfectly with the creamy egg yolks, creating a rich, comforting flavor in every bite. This dish is not only visually appealing, but also packed with nutrients, making it a wonderful meal to serve with steamed rice or fresh bread. Method 4. Boiled eggs topped with Parmesan cheese. In the kitchen, there are dishes that seem familiar, but just a small step can completely change their flavor. First, boil the eggs until fully cooked. Peel and cut in half. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Prepare a non-stick pan. Heat gently, then sprinkle a layer of grated Parmesan cheese on the bottom of the pan. Spread the melted cheese evenly to form a circle slightly larger than half the egg. When the bottom turns pale yellow and slightly browned, gently place half an egg in the center. The cheese will continue to melt and coat the egg, creating a crispy outer layer, while the inside of the egg remains soft, creamy, and smooth. The finished product looks simple but is incredibly satisfying. The Parmesan crust is crispy, slightly salty, and aromatic. The egg inside is soft, smooth, and creamy. A small appetizer, which can be served with salad or simply as a snack when you're hungry. What do you think about the method I just shared? If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to support me. Please share the video with your friends and family so that everyone can learn about another dish that is both delicious and easy to make. Thank you for watching. I wish you success in making it, and see you again in the next videos.